make sure y'all go follow him, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. And the boy lit for sure, so make sure y'all do that.
Yeah. It's like this, one of my members put you on a shirt and put you in the member. Alright, man, what's going on with y'all boys, man? Today, y'all, we is back with another banger. Xbox just unbanned me. I'm free from prison. So yeah, y'all, I'm free, y'all. So we better be doing a challenge. Well, we not gonna be doing a challenge. I'm gonna show y'all my 2K23 build because I see everybody on YouTube be doing max for 2K23 builds right now. Yeah, I know that I'm a guard. I'm a small guard. Today, man, we is gonna make a guard that can do everything in next gen. Cause when 2K23 come out, I might have next gen or current gen. I might as well just do both. Not in this video. Probably do one in the next video. What's it? Nah, cause the next video is gonna be probably another PS5 video because I got more PS5 videos to edit. But man, let's get into this banger because I don't want y'all to wait. Alright, man, we is now in this right now, man. So y'all, alright. So first thing we gotta do, we just about to let's go back to the menu and go to my career, of course. Next 19. So I made a build, but for some reason the footage did not show up. So it's my second time doing this right now. So yeah, this is my second time doing this. I'm gonna do the first clip though too. So yeah, so go click on plus, and then here was the build I was talking about inside Factory. But here's the build that you really want to make. Position, we're gonna do power, small forward. You could do power forward, I don't really know, just whatever. Y'all can do small forward. I'm doing small forward for my 2K23 build for next gen. And then yeah, so this is what it's gonna be looking like. You could put your thing up. You don't want to put your thing up because your driving duck is gonna go down and you're gonna be like a center that's gonna be able to shoot. So you know what I did? So put your player down to 6'5". Put your weight to 180. Set your weight down to 180. If you want to, you can put your height back up to get whatchamacallit, to get like rebounds. But that's what I made. And then you could put your like thing all the way up if you want to. Right now, I really don't care. Here's what I did. I put my thing down. Actually, no, I didn't put my thing down. I think I put my thing. No, I didn't put my thing up because as normal. You could leave it as normal. You have a 98 driving dunk, an 85 3-pointer, a ball handling 86, and your defense is good. And then yeah, solid. You can do whatever you want. And then now here comes the big one. You know what I suggest y'all to do first? Put your stamina all the way up. Put your speed all the way up. Put your rebounds and stuff, blocks all the way up. I suggest you to put your still as an 80 because you don't really need still. You're gonna be getting boards. Speed with ball, you could put your speed with ball, whatever. 3-pointer, and then driving dunk. And then I'll upgrade my mid range a little bit. It don't really matter. It's whatever y'all want. So right now, this is it right now. So yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is what I did. And then boom, and then yeah. Well, I'm gonna have to do one more, which I could think is this. Wait, no, it's not. Wait, what? Okay. So now since the thing is a 99, here's the thing. I think I have this build. whatever takeover y'all want. But the thing I'm using is you could do finishing moves. I put that finishing moves first, and then that's when you could put this one on. So and then you would make your build into a scoring machine. You could dunk, shoot, dribble, get easy blocks, boards. You could run fast. You have an 85 speed with 99 stamina. Yo, this is honestly the best build I ever made up, though. Honestly, the best build I ever made up. If y'all enjoyed this banger, make sure y'all give this banger a big thumbs up. If y'all want more videos like this, if y'all want me to do power forward, point guard, center, make sure y'all give this banger a big thumbs up and subscribe. It's your boy Jay, man, and we chicken. Man, oh my god, I think I was going a little bit too crazy. It's your boy Jay, man, we check it out, man.
Subscribe, like, and follow, because if you don't, we're gonna come and take all your animals out your house and give them a better life.
My members put you on a shirt and put you in the member. Y'all is some weak. Shoot your body up, put your body.